And the transmission in this car is so much better than mine. I can already, I know you're on stage 3. I'm on stage 3 on mine, but this is so much better on mine. Maybe you need to drive my car.
Yeah, we'll see, do a difference, yeah.
You
I've never driven an M5, yeah.
You want to do it?
We can, yeah.
All right. Well, y'all getting some bonus footage. All right, guys. So Yusuf is gonna go for a drive in the M5. His first ever attempt at driving the M5. So we're gonna see how it is. Now my seat is set up for me.
Oh God,
he's like all the way back. So
we're gonna be doing abs just to get the steering wheel. Oh, excuse me. You got the
what?
You got the automated power steering.
Oh, well, you know.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh yeah. It's
excuse me.
Automated, right there.
Okay, so I wanna try this launch thing you guys keep talking about for this car.
Oh, all right.
We can start with that.
Oh, he's going full beam. Let me get my seatbelt on.
So there's definitely a difference, and as soon as you sit in, like the leather dashboard, the kind of the gear knob. Of course, this is your aftermarket steering wheel, which is really beautiful as well. How
do the seats feel?
The seat feels kind of a little bit stiffer in a way, but it kind of holds your body different. So it's interesting.
Yeah, the seats made the biggest difference for me. Well, I'm a little bit bigger than you, but yeah, seats made a big difference.
Yeah, it's definitely a wider seat for sure. So, but I'm fairly a wide person as well. But they hold you. It feels like they hold me better in a way. It's interesting. Okay. So I want to try this launch control thing since I've never.
Okay.
I've always, like right now with my car.
Yeah, you spinning.
I'm spinning. Like when I try to do the launch control, so it's not going anywhere. So
all right.
Is it the same concept with the?
Yeah. So you can go to. So what we're gonna do? I'll put your throttle in Sport Plus. I like to launch this car in comfort, so because it squats a lot. So, and then we're gonna turn traction completely off. And then we're going to configure MX drive, going to 4-wheel drive sport. It's probably going to spin because this car's been sitting. And then we'll go over to level 3, and there you go. So then you'll hold.
I don't have to.
You don't have to shift, no. Okay. But you do need to brake a little earlier than you do in your car. All right, you guys pray for me. Pray for my car.
And then just do the same thing. Full gas and
brake, gas, and then you'll see it engages really quick.
Okay.
Go.
Oh God. Oh my God.
You gotta hit. Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
It spins a little bit and then you're gone.
That was.
Yeah.
Oh, woo. That was good.
Woo. I told you.
I did not expect that.
It just goes. You don't have to worry about anything. It just goes, man.
It felt like the
X Drive is no joke.
It felt like the what do you call it? Oh God, all words just left my head right now. What is this mode? And from start like the all the stars. That's what it felt like.
All right, so now just go to M2 mode. No, actually do M1. M1 will be a little bit better. Okay. Yeah. All right, so you're shifting yourself. It's in M dynamic still. I just got the suspension and comfort. My car's rides a little rough in Sport Plus, but we'll go comfort suspension.
Okay.
Remember, you got to shift. You can get on a little bit.
Man, these turbo sounds.
Yeah.
Wow.
See how you can just punch it. You can just punch it. It's fine. You got grip.
Well, there's a car in front of me.
Oh. Yeah, there it is. My bad. I'm sorry.
Where do you want me to go?
I'm sorry. Just go right through him.
All right, you asked for it. We're gonna end up. I'm just gonna turn around so that way.
Yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh man.
Is that open road? Is
yes,
that
it is.
open?
Oh, that third one goes. Woo! Oh,
That's X drive for you, baby. see how you don't get all that scrolliness that we got with yours. It just keeps going.
did I miss the exit?
No.
Okay.
It's right here.
Yeah.
It just keeps going.
Oh man, it's but it does definitely feel like I didn't realize I was going like the speed limits.
Yeah.
Like it got to the speed limit so fast.
Yeah, and that's what you deal with having a bigger car, because it just masks the speed just because it's a bigger car, right? So
Yeah, like I didn't feel like I was going this fast,
mm-hmm.
and then like it felt a lot more solid. Like versus with my car when we're getting to these kind of speeds, it feels. But I've also heard that about the G80. Like they feel a lot more comfort versus the like older M3s, for example. Like coming from the E90, the E90 felt a lot more firm, a lot more with the road, so it was more raw. Like when I did long trips, I was tired. Like I needed a break after that.
Yeah.
With the G80, I've been to Florida 3 times. I've been to New Jersey. I've been to Pennsylvania for the Keys Auto Show. With Pennsylvania for the Impact, and like literally, I arrive after 9-hour drive, and I can still go for another drive.
Yeah.
So it's definitely, but this one feels a lot more. I don't know how to explain it. Like more firm at the higher speed. So
Yeah. So how was your first experience in the M5?
not bad. I definitely want an X drive now for sure.
Yeah, you can just keep putting the power down, man. It's kind
know,
of crazy.
Like now feeling like my car feels a lot more torquey.
Mm-hmm.
So I can imagine like having that kind of pull X drive in my car. Like you would feel it a lot. That's what it felt like. So
Yeah, and also too, I'm on 93, so this isn't my E-Map. The
Oh,
E-Map is a little.
Oh, we gotta definitely drive the E40 for sure. Because now you're 100 horsepower down.
About 50, 60.
Okay,
50, 60.
that was nice. Thank you for letting me experience the Gumpy.
Oh yeah, anytime, man. Anytime.
And then as Andrew, Gumbosaurus.
Gumbosaurus. Wow.
You didn't see the comments?
Gumbosaurus.
Yeah.
I didn't see that one.
Yeah. Gumbosaurus. I'll show it to you.
Yusuf, you want to close it out for people?
Appreciate it. Like you said, it's always good times, and this was definitely a nice experience driving the M5, and doing round 2 with the G80. Maybe we'll put some more videos, talk about the differences between the E90 and the G80. And
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll holler at you later. Peace.